Hello, welcome to this Lansweeper end-of-life video where today I'll be covering Microsoft Dynamics. Now, Microsoft Dynamics is a ERP system, a enterprise resource planning system from Microsoft, obviously, and it's helped to design small, medium businesses, even large enterprises with their finance, manufacturing, customer relationships, management, etc., etc. It's a very wide tool, and it has quite a couple of different editions as well. Meaning it has like a Dynamics Nav, also a Dynamics GP version, Dynamics AX. So there's plenty of different variants of the Dynamics software suite, all focused on a specific use case, or more focused on a specific use case, I should say. So what we're looking at here is how can you manage your Dynamics installations better, make sure that they're always up to date, that they're using a version that is supported and does not have any issues in it or any vulnerabilities. So here in Lansweeper, we're in the reports area where if we head over to security and then the lifecycle, we get an overview of all of the lifecycle audits that we have. And then obviously we're interested now in the Microsoft Dynamics one. We can head over to the Microsoft Dynamics one. We get an overview of all of the Microsoft Dynamics components, installations that we have in our IT environment, along with details as like when was the date that it went end of life, how many days are remaining until that end of life, additional details like the publisher, obviously the software version is important in that, and some additional details as well. Now, if you're interested in more information about one of these specific devices, obviously you can click through on it, go to the specific assets page and get all of the details there of that specific device. So on the assets page, obviously you get an overview of, and you can get details of all of the hardware, software, user data that we can find about the device. So any kind of detail that you want about that specific device, you can find on the assets page. Now, if you want to grab this report, all you need to do is head over to your site. If you have Lansweeper already, then it's already there in it, as I've just shown. You can find it already there. If you do not have Lansweeper yet, you can head over to lansweeper.com, start your free trial, and then start scanning your own environment. Try this out with your own data, or even use our demo environment to just take a look at it, what Lansweeper would look like. So with that, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.